Welcome back to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so
Sanshia.
Sorry, I get sure because we just talked to Shreya and also Sanshia. So we were talking about breakfast.
Yeah.
So let's continue with that.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So yeah.
Okay.
We were talking about the proverb, right? Yeah. So eat like a breakfast. Eat like a breakfast. Eat breakfast like a king. So kings obviously have a lot of food, and they have a variety of food. So you should always have different varieties of food for breakfast. Like you should have protein, carbohydrates, everything like that. Lunch, it should be a little more less.
Medium.
Medium,
Not
exactly.
so less, but medium.
Not so less like how you eat dinner, but a little.
Medium.
And dinner is where we all actually make the mistake, and we have
a
huge amount.
Yeah.
And we should have a little there. We should eat exactly like a beggar. But anyways, before that, let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
My name is
What's your name?
Shiza.
Shiva. Okay.
Shiva.
Hi, Shiva.
Shiza. Okay, so
Yeah.
Shiza, we have a friend with us today.
Who is it?
It's Sanshia.
Oh, hi Sanshia.
Hi. Okay, so both of you talk. Like you ask her what you wanna ask. you
Okay,
ask-
which class are you in, Shiza?
I'm in grade
Grade
3.
Three.
Three.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, which school are you in?
I'm in Ambassador School.
Ambassador School. Okay, where is it?
It's in Mankul.
It's in.
Mankul.
Mankul. Okay.
So Shiza,
Yeah?
will you sing a song?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sing.
When the sun shines on the mountain and the night is on the run, it's a new day, it's a new way, fly up to the sun. I can feel the morning sunlight, smell the new morning. I can hear God's voices calling on my golden skylight way. Una paloma blanca, I'm just a bird in the sky. Una paloma blanca, oh, what the mountains are fly. Yes, no one can take them away. Yes, no one can take them away. Done.
Okay, that song was so good.
You sang it very well. You sung it very well.
Thank you.
Okay, so Shiza, any game? Would you like to play any game with us?
Yes.
Dictionary game?
Hello.
Yeah?
What do you want to play? You want dictionary game or you
I'll
want
play connection.
connection?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So
This time Anamika will play.
okay, fine. I'll play connection game with you.
Okay.
Fine, I'll start.
Okay.
Breakfast.
Tiger.
R. Rope.
Rope. Elephant.
Elephant. T. Tent. Oh yeah.
Telephone.
Telephone.
Okay.
E. Eat.
Eat. Sound.
No, T.
T.
Eat.
Oh. Time.
Tie.
Time.
Time. E again. Year.
What?
Ear. E.
The
A.
ear.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. W.
Yeah.
Walk.
Water.
Walk. Oh yeah.
Walk.
Water.
Huh?
Walk. K.
K.
K. Kingdom.
Kingdom. M. Mango.
Yeah.
Mango. Ostrich.
Okay. So I forgot the name. Shiza. Yes.
Yeah.
Shiza. So we'll end the game now.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, Shiza, Thank you for playing. You played really well with us.
Thank you.
And call me on Sunday.
Okay.
And on Sunday we'll talk to you more. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
So Shiza had called us and she was really sweet. She played the game with us and she played very well, just saying. But yeah, okay, so let's go back to breakfast. So do you have any facts to say or anything like that about breakfast?
If you want to lose your tiredness or something like that, you can eat high fibered food. It is very good to lose your tiredness.
And there's one more thing. For dinner, when you have if suppose let's take you're eating your dinner at 7 o'clock and you are sleeping till 9 o'clock, which we don't get up at 9 o'clock. Most of us get up early or late, so it's always depending, So let's just take 9 o'clock, you get up, so there's a huge amount of time between
That space is there.
Yeah, between your dinner and the next meal, which is breakfast. And it's like a fast, so that's why it's called
breaking the
fast.
fast.
Yeah, break fast. So it's like breaking your fast that you've had for such a long time. And for dinner, when you have the least amount of food, your tummy or your digestive system
It already gets digested.
Exactly. When you sleep, you don't have much going on in your body. There's less working, so your body will digest easily and you can rest. You can get good rest. And plus, when you get up in the morning, if you eat less dinner, you feel hungry, so you will have a better amount of breakfast. But anyways, before that we have
Just
a caller. Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Andre.
Andre.
Andre, okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Andre.
Hi.
So Andre, you had called me day before yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Andre, would you like to meet
Sanshia.
Sanshia? Why do I forget your name?
Ye-
Okay, Sanshia.
Yes.
Hi, Andre.
Hi.
Which class are you in?
Grade 2.
Grade 2.
Yeah.
Okay, which school?
James Winchester.
Okay, it's in Old Mehta, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, do you want to play a game or you want a riddle?
Or GK?
Game.
Game, okay, which game?
Connection.
Connection game.
Everybody wants connection.
Okay, this time we all will play.
Okay, we three will play.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Fine.
Who will start?
Okay.
Andre, you start.
Exactly. Andre, you start.
Okay. Building.
Building.
Okay, you.
Yeah.
G.
Going.
Going. G. Gate.
E.
Elephant.
And it has to be very quick, okay?
Okay, fine.
What did
Okay.
you say?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Okay. Tiger.
Tiger. R. Ring. Oh my god. Ring. G.
G.
Gate.
Gate is already told.
I already said gate.
Okay. Goat.
Goat. Okay, T. Time.
Time. E. Eardrum. M.
Energy.
Huh?
M.
What?
M.
M.
Yeah.
What?
M.
N.
M.
M.
Yes.
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay.
Why? Okay, so Andre,
Yeah.
shall we end the game?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyways, Andre, you played very well, and Sanchia, you too. Both of you played very well.
Okay.
Okay, so Andre, anyways, call me on Sunday. Okay? And on Sunday we will talk to you more. Okay? Bye. Okay, so anyways, Sanchia,
Yeah.
let's talk about the topic again. But yeah, so we were saying that it's almost like breaking your fast in the
Yeah.
morning. And since you have so much time to, digest all the food that
When
you've
you're
eaten for
sleeping, it
dinner.
digests.
Exactly, dinner and lunch, everything. When it digests, and in the morning there's nothing, your tummy is like empty, so
Empty.
you feel hungry, and
So you tend to eat your breakfast.
exactly. And if you have like a huge amount of dinner,
Then
while
you
you're
don't eat your breakfast.
exactly, and plus when you're sleeping, it'll be stored as fat, so that it's fattening as well. And there's also one more thing, that when we have excessive dinner, we tend to get fatter, because dinner for us usually consists of a lot of junk food and maybe KFC and
Yeah.
pizza and all that. But breakfast, obviously, I don't know, but
Maybe sandwiches or
exactly,
whatever.
because most of us, especially me, I hate having anything chicken or anything like that in the morning. It just makes me puke. But yeah, so that is a
And
good thing,
also,
because you'll lose weight
when you
as
eat
well.
your breakfast, you should eat a lot of vegetables because it contains minerals and vitamins. I eat it every day. Do you?
Yeah, definitely. So if any of you don't eat a proper breakfast,
So
it's
start eating it now.
yeah, start eating it from today, and you can stay tuned till the end of Kiddo Kids to know like more.
Who's the best scholar?
Yeah, exactly, the best scholar, and plus you can also stay tuned till the end to know more and more importance of breakfast and why you need to eat more. But another thing is your mood. You know, whenever you don't have breakfast, you feel hungry at school, because in school you're using a lot of energy, and also, you know, you obviously feel like, oh my god, you know, you'll feel tired and you'll feel angry because you're tired and you have nothing to eat, and you know, maybe you have break period and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So that is not coming yet. Oh my god, I have to sit for 2-3 more classes till
Yeah.
that. You'll be really tired and really angry, which won't let you, leads to not concentrating again.
Yeah, and one more thing is there, that eating breakfast makes you feel full, because you eat more, and then you stop eating all the junk in between. That is snacks, that is nuggets and fries and all that.
Yes, so basically everybody is, I'm just adding on to your point, everybody comes from school and they feel tired because they don't have a really good amount of breakfast. So that's why they feel really tired, and
And
come
they eat
home
some chips or biscuit or something
and they
like that.
basically snack on all those bad stuff, fattening food, which is bad, and we've talked about this and gone over this a lot of times. And I think many of our parents and teachers give us lectures all the time about eating good,
Yeah,
eating
and-
healthy food.
And instead of going for fatty food, you could go for protein food. Means
Exactly.
like if you don't like milk, the normal milk, you can go for soya milk. And if you don't like chicken, mutton and all that, you can go for soya beans. It's very good.
Yeah, and there are vegetarians, and people say you need chicken because it's such a good source of protein. No, the chicken we have in KFC and all is not such a good chicken. It's not pure.
It's
not,
injected with hormone.
yes, different various types of hormones. We're going to so much science.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's injected with a lot of hormones, which is bad, really bad for you, and it causes cancer as well. So it's really bad for you, and by this we don't mean that never have it in your life. Okay, if you don't want to
Once
have
a
it,
week
we're not
is fine.
Yeah, not once a week even. That's really bad. You can have it maybe once in a month or something, twice in a month. That's okay. And plus, even if you buy it, do not have the entire. If you buy a bucket, you know, you get the KFC buckets.
Yeah.
Don't have the entire thing in one day or anything.
Leave it for some other days also.
And plus, frozen food and stuff is really bad for you. So even if you buy something, try to use it the most, like not never, if you're buying for 2 people, never buy like lots and then put it in the freezer or fridge, and the next day never take it and eat it, because it might get bad, or you never know what's gonna happen, because there are many people who have died because of food poisoning and all that. So you should definitely have fresh food, and that's why we always, you know, everybody says have whatever is home cooked,
Yeah.
because your mom or your dad is making the food, so they know what is all inside it and what is happening.
Yeah.
in
Okay,
the
and there's
cooking
one more
process.
thing. When you eat your breakfast, you can eat sandwiches, but don't eat cereal bars. Cereals with milk is very good, but don't eat cereal bars because it contains a lot of sugar and it can make you fat.
Exactly. And cereal bars, instead of breakfast, maybe at 4 o'clock when you are craving for some fast food, at that point you can have 1 or 2 bites of a cereal bar instead of having it in your morning, which won't fill you up and is bad for you as well. So we have another caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Sean.
Sean. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, Sean.
Hi.
So
Hi.
Sean, this is the first time you're calling to Kiddo Kids, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you feel like? Do you feel nervous or
Yeah.
What?
anything? Do you
Do
feel,
you feel nervous?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
It's fine, totally fine. We're just gonna keep on talking to you like
Forever.
friends. Yeah, exactly. And so Sean, which grade are you in?
6.
Sixth.
Sixth. Okay, which school?
Our own high school.
Avarun High School. Okay, where?
In Varaka, Alvaraka.
Alvarka.
Oh, okay. Alvarka.
Okay. So Sean,
Yes.
so you study in Alvarka boys, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So your school is the one who has hosted Ecophilia, right?
Ecophilia.
Oh,
You were there, right? Were you there in the dance?
No.
You weren't there. Okay.
Okay. So anyway, Sean.
Yes.
So here in Kiddo Kids, we play games with our callers. So would you like to play a game with us?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
What
which game?
Riddles.
Riddles.
Riddles,
Okay, so
okay.
you want riddles. This is the first time somebody is actually
Asking for
asking for a
riddles.
riddle. Everybody's like game, dictionary game, connection game. So we'll give you a riddle. Don't worry, we'll give you a riddle. So I'll ask you, or you ask.
Yes.
And
Okay, fine.
You will ask.
hello,
Sis-
Sean.
Yes. Then.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a riddle.
Hello.
Okay?
Okay.
Brothers and sisters I have none, but that man's father is my father's son.
Yeah.
Do you know it? Do you know the answer?
No. I didn't understand.
Try.
No, say it again slowly.
Okay, brothers and sisters I have none, but
Brothers and sisters has none,
that man's father is my father's son.
but that
Man,
man,
father
my father
is my father's son.
is my father's son.
Brothers and sisters, I
Me,
have none.
none.
Huh?
Me.
No,
Me.
not me.
You.
Father,
No.
Brother.
brother,
Oh.
Not brother.
Aritila. I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, the answer
Yeah.
is my son.
Obviously, I didn't know that. Okay, so anyways, Sean.
Yes.
So did you have fun playing the riddle?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you should call us next time also.
Definitely on Sunday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll talk to you on Sunday.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Okay, so
That's
Sean,
Sean.
and he was actually a new caller to Kiddo Kids. And talking about Kiddo Kids. Okay. Do you watch Kiddo Kids?
Yes, I watch it every day.
Okay, so do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
So it's like questioning, but why do you like it?
Because it's fun and it's a big entertainment also.
Okay.
Okay, so now can we go for a rhyme?
Sure.
Okay,
so stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.